Hey there, Karen from EdibleWildFood.com, and I'm in the kitchen right now because the other day I was out with my husband and we gathered a huge amount of wild grapes, or riverbank grapes as they are better known as, Vitis riparia. So I have all these grapes, and as you can see, they actually look like a bunch of grapes. Unfortunately, each one of those grapes has a seed in it, which renders it almost impossible to eat. You could eat the seed, but I wouldn't recommend eating a lot of it, that's for sure. Not to mention, the texture just doesn't do it. So what I've done is, this bag is ready to go into the freezer, and as you can see, I have put the date on it because sometimes freezers get overloaded and you don't want to forget what date it was that you harvested. What I'm doing with another whole bunch of these is I'm bringing these just to a boil, then I'm going to turn it off. I will mash it up and let it sit for about 45 minutes or so. That way all the goodness and wonderful taste infuses into the water. I will strain it and then I will make grape juice. So hold on a sec. And here is the final product. This is actually last week's grape juice. It's almost finished. I've made 2 huge jugs of it. And the color, as you can see, is just amazing. Dark purple. Look at all the antioxidants and resveratrol in there, just waiting for your body to absorb and make you healthy. So what I did, just to show you, is I used a straw to remove the air out of this bag. So this bag will be going into my freezer now. And when I make my juice, I just put it in one of these empty water containers. For those of you who know what 4 liters is, this is the size bottle that I use. And for those who are not used to that, I would say this is just short of 1 gallon. What I did is I used about the same amount of grapes as you see here, which is about 4 to 5 cups grapes, to about 1 gallon or 4 liters of water. And remember, don't bring them to a boil and let them continue to boil. Bring it to a boil, turn the stove off, and let it sit. Many ways to enjoy this are, you can warm it back up again and have a nice warm cup of grape juice. Tastes amazing. Or you can put some in a crock pot and add a couple of cinnamon sticks for a couple of hours and see what that tastes like. It is incredible and will warm you up on a very chilly autumn day like today. Anyway, short but sweet. Just wanted to share with you one of my favorite things to do in the autumn time that do not include wild mushrooms, and I hope that this will become one of your favorites. Thank you for watching. And if you're new to my channel, if you would do me the kindness and consider subscribing, and if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And if you've really enjoyed this video, please consider sharing this on your social media channels. Thank you.